What's up, cooks? It's the Wednesday before Christmas. And I don't know about you, but I don't have all my stuff done. That's all I got to say. I hope you're having a great holiday season. Mine's not really going to start until Christmas Eve because I've been so busy with everything and I just haven't gotten it together. But I hope you're having a great one. And we got a couple things in the cookbook library today. We did get the joy of cooking in the house, so we're going to open that up and have a few other things that I got along the way. So what's up? It is Wednesday before Christmas, so let's do this. I don't know how you guys are holding up this holiday season, but let me tell you, everything for me is like going at 1,000 miles an hour. Work is going at 1,000 miles an hour. Decorating is actually going at only 5 miles an hour because we're not getting it done. Gift buying is going at 5 miles an hour. Oh, 0 miles an hour.
We're actually up to 5?
Yeah, no, actually 0 because we haven't bought any gifts yet. So we need to do that and get them in the mail in the next day. Right? So we did get our tree. We did get a tree. We got it up. It's in the stand. I got some decorations on it. We got lights on it. It is not done. Hopefully I'm going to get it done this weekend, and I will be having a tree video. I'm also going to be working on my tablescape, which has not even been started. So, yeah, that's how far behind I am. And
we need a Santa.
Oh, I need a Santa. Because my tablescape is Santa Claus is coming to town, and I don't have a Santa. So, we went to the Christmas tree shop and Michael's. And they were... literally the shelves were licked clean. So
you got a sled.
I did get a sled, but I'm thinking there's a possibility that my Santa is coming to town but ain't gonna be there, so everything will be there but him, right? So we'll see how that goes. So what do we got going, Eric? So I did get a couple other cookbooks along with the ones I got last week. I just didn't have them up here yet. This is Southern Living's Best Loved Christmas Classics, Favorite Holiday Recipes, and Decorating Ideas. I paid $3.99 for this. Kind of interesting because it seems like I haven't yet had a holiday season. So I think I'm going to be doing some Christmas baking after Christmas. So I'm officially declaring that Christmas is starting for me on Christmas Eve, and it's going to go straight through New Year's Eve because I haven't had much of a Christmas holiday, and plus I'm taking that time off. So it's going to be the only time that we're actually going to say, oh, we can have our, Christmas whatever.
You did experiment with some cookies, so that is in progress, and you broke out the chocolate so you can get around making fudge.
I did make some cookies. I made like these oatmeal cookies with a peanut butter cream on the inside. They were fantastic. And I also attempted to make some fudge. Like I got all the chocolate out. I got the ingredients that I needed, and I never got around to making it. So I might be making fudge on Christmas Eve, right? That's pretty sad.
Or the day after.
Whatever, right? This is another Taste of Home. This is Taste of Home Christmas. And I think I paid like $3 for this one as well. It's like a binder style book. The reason I bought it is just because that gingerbread man on the top. Pretty interesting. A lot of cookies and baked goods. There's a spiked eggnog bread pudding. This is actually a candy cane pie. Yeah, right.
My boo wouldn't know anything about spiking some bread pudding, would she?
Yeah, I wouldn't know anything about that. But I actually cook that in a barbecue cook-off. So we actually got the Joy of Cooking. Remember we ordered that last week? The Joy of Cooking has come out with a brand new edition for 2019. It is put out by the grandchildren, I believe. And whoa, this thing is huge. Look at this book.
Somebody's enjoying cooking.
Wow, someone has been. Holy moly. One thing I can say, it's a hefty book. So there's 600 new recipes and more than 4,000 favorites from the original Joy, or the Joy that has been the Joys, right? I should say, because there's a lot of different editions. Wow, this thing is giant.
That is a hardback.
It is a hardback. I want to see if they kept the same recipe style. They did. So, Joy of Cooking, right? They wrote their recipes a lot different because they're like known as active recipes. And instead of it just having a list of ingredients, the way the Joy Cooking is set up is it will give you maybe some instructions, a couple of ingredients, and then more instructions, and a couple ingredients, and more instructions. So the instructions are interspersed with the ingredients as opposed to you just getting a list of ingredients and a method section. So it's known as an active recipe style, which is interesting. It's a lot different than a lot of other books. Yeah. So I'm going to be dragging out all my versions of the Joy of Cooking, and we're going to take a look at all these, sort of talk about the differences between the editions. And wow, I can tell you that this new Joy of Cooking, this is a monster, right? It is huge.
Definitely not a stocking stuffer.
It's a stocking stuffer, but you have to put alongside the stocking, right? So if you have somebody who loves cookbooks, or you have somebody who loves the joy of cooking, or someone who is just beginning to cook, this would be a great Christmas present, right? It is a monster. So we're going to be talking about the Joy of Cooking and all the editions that I have, and this new one. It's got a lot of really nice endorsements on the back. So, interesting. So this is the brand new Joy of Cooking, updated and revised. Yay! So of course I was up to no good, right? You guys know I love Temp-tations and I love the Floral Lace Eggplant color. And when stuff comes up on sale, or this came up as an as-is, I jumped on it. Yeah, so let's get this open. This is like for all my Temp-tations fans. If you guys would can just imagine, my entryway right now is piled up with a lot of boxes, Christmas decorations, but also I went a little Temp-tations crazy and I ordered a few things that were on discount.
Let's just say UPS knows where we live.
Yeah. This is an as-is, so I don't know what I'm getting into here. Let's see. Right? This item may be a customer return, vendor sample, discontinued inventory, or on-air display. It may not be new. In some instances, these items are repackaged by QVC.
So it's a disclaimer to lower your standards.
Yeah. I can definitely tell that this was possibly open before. Wow, okay. What did I order? Oh gee, this is gonna make a mess. Who's gonna have to get out the vacuum? Wow.
There's something in there.
Ah! Wow. Okay. So, so this is the Squoval set that has a divided lid. So it is in the Floral Lace Eggplant pattern, and normally the lid just comes as a lid, but this has a divided lid. So that's how it looks. So sweet. I like this. So it is your usual lid, but it has these dividers in here, so you can use this as a serving tray. You can bake on this, but you can also use it as a serving tray, and it's divided. That's really, really cool. And it also has a storage lid. Yeah.
That one looks like it's got cutouts for a handle.
Yeah, because it's got these side things.
Oh, okay. I didn't see those. Okay.
And it's got a couple like small bakers or ramekins. You always have to really inspect these as-is ones because you don't know what you're going to get. And these bakers have their own lids. So they have a lid like this. Cute.
Yeah.
You can put those in the refrigerator. Cute, right? Is it Christmas before Christmas?
In the Amy house.
Yeah. Oh, it comes with a cookbook.
Ooh. Tasty and tempting?
Tasty and tempting recipes, making the most of your Squoval bakeware. Sweet. So it's recipes just for this bakeware set. Ricotta strudel with lemon glaze.
That looks pretty.
Yeah. Meatloaf, Cobb salad. Oh, I love Cobb salad. So let's see this. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this comes with your usual basket or your metal. What do you call this? Holder?
That's not a trivet, is it?
I
don't know the term.
It has another lid. Wow. It has this baker. Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay. I thought you had a chunk taken out, but I think it's you got styrofoam stuck to it.
Yeah, this styrofoam is all over the place. This is a 4-quart baker. Wow, this thing is huge. And it looks pretty good for it being as is.
So you're saying someone may have returned this. Their loss, our gain?
Yeah. I mean, people return it for whatever reason. Maybe they got the wrong color or something. So it has this divided lid. The lid goes on here. You can bake it with the lid on there. You can put this lid on here. So you can bake in here. You can put bread up here. And then you can also bake on here. This is pretty sweet. I love these liddits. I think the lidit is what sells these sets to me because I love that you can use it as a baker or a serving tray. And you can also use it as a trivet and holder. It's a substantial baker. Uh-oh. Okay. So we have this. You can carry it to the table with. Wow. It's definitely not a light set. Yeah, I like this. So you could take you could just use those as servers, or you can use them like this. Awesome. Christmas is early, right? So, cooks, I hope you're having a great holiday season. Next Wednesday is Christmas Day. So, most likely we will not have a What's Up Wednesday on Christmas Day. I plan to take the day off and just enjoy the day, possibly even sleep in, right? What's Up Wednesday, we'll be back the following week. We will have videos up between now and then. Our next upload is going to be the highly anticipated Wolf Stand Mixer review. So that is the next upload that we will be doing. Everybody's been waiting on that review, and I can't wait till you guys see it. We will also be doing the tablescape, the tree video, and all that before Christmas. So
and my blow-ups.
And Eric's blow-ups. So What's Up Wednesday will be returning the following week. Yeah, I need to take Christmas Day off because I really, really need some rest, right? I hope you're having a great holiday season. I hope that you are, baking and cooking and all those fun things that we do during this holiday season. We possibly might go live on New Year's Eve. I'm not sure if we can pull that off, but if we can, we will do that, and it will be on YouTube this time. Last time I think we were live on Facebook, but we will be doing YouTube this time. So I will let you guys know if we're going to be going live on New Year's Eve. So that will be a lot of fun. I just want to say thank you for all your support this year. And we're looking forward to 2020. Stay tuned, because by the end of the year, I'm going to have my Amy Learns to Cook Kitchen Gadget of the Year. I'm going to be picking it out of everything that we use this year. So there's other things that would be great as a gadget of the year, but it's just going to be those new things that I've used during the course of this year. So stay tuned for that. By New Year's Eve, I'm going to have my picks for gadgets, my top 5 or so gadgets, and then my gadget of the year for 2019.
Gadget of the year, GOY?
GOY, yeah, my GOY. My gadget of the year for 2019. Gadget, right? So, what's up? It's Wednesday. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great rest of the week. And stay tuned, because the wolf is coming up next. Ow! Ow! If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like. And don't forget to hit that bell so you'll get notifications of our uploads. Also, visit my website at amylearnscook.com. And you can catch me on social media at facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook. You can find me on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook, and also on Instagram at Cookin' with Amy. Happy Wednesday.